Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to edit your pictures. So I edited it like this over here. I edited this. I did that. Okay, so hold up. I have more TikTok followers because yeah. Oh, and also please hold up, hold up, hold up. That's not my face, though. That's my friend's face. I accidentally took a FaceTime picture. So, let's say I want to edit this. This is my friend's remote. He sent me a picture. So, let's say I want to edit his remote. Right. Okay. So, let's say I want to add some black details. Let me add some details to it. It's okay if you mess up if you have the magic one coming out. Hold up. Okay. Alright. Hold up. Okay, I'm doing some progress over here. Let me get some over here. Over here. Gotta get the sides. I'm gonna have some. I want him to have a cool controller. I want to have him having a cool picture of his remote for his PlayStation. Oh, and also, if you want to follow me on my TikTok, and my TikTok followers can follow me on my YouTube channel. So yeah. Yeah. Hold up, I'll be right back. So, if you edit like this, okay, gotta make it cool. Let me just more details. Now some. Save it, go back to my gallery, and now if I
another step in your day.
Just gotta.
Oh my God!
You don't understand. You broke into our house.
She's alive.
The lights are still out. I can't see who you are. I could kill you free and clear. We are happy to leave, Mitch, with Slim and Miss Stacy. And make no mistake, if you keep them here, we will go straight to the police.
Alright, that's it
Who
for this
will
video.
surely arrest